Hey guys, Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me. I have a new craft fair project to share with you all. This one was inspired by Crafty Crafts by Deanne. If y'all are not subscribed to her, you need to go and subscribe. She is wonderful and has so many creative craft fair ideas that she's blowing my mind left and right. I can't keep up with her. She's just absolutely amazing. But today I'm going to share with you all these cute little chapstick boxes. Super cute. They are so simple and easy to make. You get, I bought the chapstick from Dollar Tree. They were 2 for $1. It's not the name brand, it's the Chappies. But, of course you can't see in here, but I did find some really cute, like, themed chapstick. Like, I found Finding Dory, I found some princesses, and that's actually like what's inside these right here, because I thought those would be great little gifts for little girls. And so I got some of those and I made them more kid friendly. So there we go. This is a great project to use up your scraps or to use up your 6x6 paper. It's so simple and so easy to do, and it's a great turnaround craft. So what you're gonna need is a piece of paper. This is just a 6x6 that I have, and I am going to cut it down to a 4.5 by 4.5. Remember to always save your scraps like this, because you can use them as bag toppers when you if you want to package it up. Okay, now you're going to need your scoreboard. Move some of this out of the way, and you are going, alright, I have to have mine crooked. It's crazy, like when I write I have to have my paper crooked in order to write straight. So same with scoring. So what you're going to do is you're going to score at 3/4, and you are going to score at 3 3/4. Okay, then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score at 1 3/4, 2.5, and 3 1/4. Alright, I'm going to keep my bone folder out just to make my creases. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to fold on all my lines, my score marks, just to make it nice and crisp. You don't have to if you don't want to. Don't forget those on the edges. Alright, now we've got it all scored. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut off these end boxes right here, because we don't need them. So just cut off the corners on all 4. And then I'm going to cut a slit all the way up into that score mark. And these are going to be the folds for our box. Alright. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to take my middle one. You can use adhesive. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue I'm going to put some hot glue on that middle one and take this one and fold it down over it, and then put some hot glue or adhesive, whatever you want to use, and fold this one on top of it. Same over here. I'm going to fold my middle down, fold it over, put some glue or adhesive, and fold it over, and there you have your little box. Now you will notice that one side is taller than the other. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hole punch. Deanna used a very small one, but I don't have any yarn or thread that is that little, so I am actually using a just a regular size hole punch. Now what I did, I just took these and I kind of held them together. You can punch it before you start or after, and I'm just gonna line them up and punch and line them up and punch. You take your chapstick, you throw it inside, you tie this up, and they come out looking like this. Very cute, very easy. Like I said, great little craft fair projects. Package them up really cute in a little bag, put a topper on it, maybe a to and from sticker, and there you go. I'm not really sure about pricing. I was thinking like $1 or $1.50. I don't know if $2 is too much to ask because they're not the name brand chapsticks. But yeah, you'll comment down below and let me know what price point you think. So that's all I got for you. Thanks, guys.